What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you're going to get your car prepared and ready to hit the dyno and hit the tuner so everything works out perfectly. So as you guys could tell, your boy has a 350Z Nismo. It's a 2007 with 93k miles, and I'm going to be explaining what you should do to prepare your car to flawlessly execute a dyno tune or get tuned by your tuner. So let's get right into the video. If you guys enjoy, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. And by the way, I wanted to talk about what's gonna pretty much go on tomorrow. I'm gonna be tuning my car on 93 pump gas and E85, and I'm gonna be getting dyno tuned by the man Martin at RS Enthalpy. He's pretty much a tuner for Floridians and people in Florida, in the Tampa area or the Miami area. So yeah, I think he lives in Miami, but he comes to Tampa, which is where I'm gonna be getting my Nismo tuned, full bolts on, tuned on 93 and E85, man. So here's the steps and here's everything you need to do to have your car prepared and ready for the dyno or the tune. Let's get into it. So you guys are probably wondering, what's step one on the route to getting your car ready to get tuned? Honestly, I think step one should obviously be get all the mods you need to go get tuned. So if you're staying NA, get all your intake, your exhaust, your headers. You know, if you're going on E85, get your fuel pump. Pretty much get all the mods you can get before getting tuned. I recommend just grabbing all your mods, installing them one time before getting your car tuned, because the last thing you want to do is just get intakes and then go tune your car, and then now you got a new exhaust, you go and tune your car again, and then you get, you know what I mean. Just don't try to get piece by piece and keep going to get a new tune. I think it's just better to just put everything on one time and then get tuned. So the only mod I couldn't install was my 3-inch intakes, because if you guys don't know, 3-inch intakes requires a tune to run your car. So that's the only mod I'm going to be taking to the shop and installing before I pretty much get my tune. So yeah, guys, step one is buy and install all the mods you could before getting tuned. Step two, maintenance. Maintenance is a big key to going to get tuned. I suggest doing a fresh oil change, fresh spark plugs, making sure your gallery gaskets are good on your HR or VHR. If you have a DE, I don't think you need to worry about gallery gaskets. I also did valve cover gaskets, so my car's not leaking anymore. One of my spark plug holes had oil in it, so I did valve covers, I did spark plugs, I did gallery gaskets. Pretty much my whole timing kit, pretty much everything on the motor is now officially refreshed, so my car is running top notch and it's ready to go get tuned. So maintenance is a big key. Step three, which is really it's pretty much not necessarily needed, but I suggest doing it, is upgrading your clutch. Once you go full bolt on tuned, or whatever step you're gonna go and go get tuned, I think your clutch is gonna be a big factor on whether or not your car's going to put the power down or not. So go upgrade your clutch. If you have a HR VHR, upgrade your clutch. Most likely put the CMAC kit on it. That's a really good thing to install on your HR VHR, so make sure you do that. Step one, mods. Step two, maintenance. Step three, clutch. So guys, once you do all three of those steps, you will be ready to get your car tuned. Now, what we're gonna talk about is pretty much what I have done to my car, and an update to all my old or new subscribers that don't know what I did to my car. All right, hopefully this wind isn't fucking up the mic right now, but pretty much what I have done to my 350Z Nismo and an update for you guys. We'll start in the engine bay. Don't mind these fucked up intakes. My mechanic was trying to push them back in and they were so flimsy that they pretty much kind of bent. They're bad, but we're going RTG 3-inch tomorrow, so I didn't really care. So first things first, big shout out to VQ Boys Performance. If you guys are in the Central Florida, Tampa area, best people to do work on your car. They get my shit done fast as hell, and they don't play with their work, and it's good quality work and for a great price. I want to give a shout out to him for giving me this Cusco strut tower bar or brace or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's get right into this. First things first, I got BHR ported manifolds, upper and lower. They're not installed yet. They're at the shop for my tuner to where my tuner's at to pretty much install, which is Z Fever. Sean's going to be installing those. So I got VHR uppers, VHR lowers, and they're both ported by Sean Garcia. So that's going to be mod number 1. I did valve cover gaskets so the oil wasn't leaking into the spark plug holes and it wasn't leaking out any oil. So valve cover gaskets replaced. I did brand new spark plugs. I got Bosch 660cc injectors or 6 something injectors. I gotta pretty much look at the advertisement and see what they are. I'll post them right here, whatever the hell they are, but they're Bosch injectors. Didn't install them yet, gonna get them installed tomorrow. I got gallery gaskets done. That's a main factor to do on your HR VHR. Got gallery gaskets, water pump, thermostat. What else do I got? I got a new belt, fresh oil change. I got, like I said, the RCG 3-inch intakes to install at the shop. Let's move on down to the, let's see if you can see this. Too dark. Anyways, I got ISR long tube headers running from the motor all the way down. I got ISR Y pipe, and I got a Tomei single exit exhaust to finish off the full bolt-on experience. So we got a quick rundown again: Tomei exhaust, ISR Y pipe, ISR long tube headers. Did all my maintenance. We did spark plugs, water pump, thermostat, valve covers, gallery gaskets, fresh oil change, timing, the whole timing kit. We got RCG 3-inch intakes, ported upper and lower VHR manifolds, Bosch 660cc injectors. Oh, I also forgot I got an AEM 340 fuel pump to go E85 with the injectors. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything I got for the car. And obviously I got a fresh new Nismo bumper, clear reflectors, resprayed the side skirt. What else did I do? Oh, I got these JDM taillights if you guys haven't seen these. I did a full respray on the whole back bumper. Paint match is fucking ridiculous. Shout out to my boy Romaine. The gray got resprayed too. Don't mind it. It's a little dirty right now. Got some heat tape for the flames. You guys are probably wondering, where's the TEs? TEs are sold, sadly. As much as I love the TEs, they're my dream wheels. I officially sold the TEs. I sold them for $3,200, and then I sold my tires separate for $650. So pretty much came out with a good profit because I got everything for, well, I got the tires for a steal, and then I got my TEs for free. Don't ask, just, yeah. So yeah, guys, pretty much ready for a tune tomorrow. This is pretty much just a video I wanted to drop to get everybody up to date whenever they want to go and tune their car, whether it's a Z, a G, or even any car. Maintenance is key, buying all your mods is key, and then doing a clutch is key. honestly, I have no idea what clutch is in this car. All I know is it's a South Bend upgraded clutch. I don't know if it's stage 3, stage 2, stage 1. All I know is it's upgraded because the guy that sold me this car sent me the link and showing me that he purchased it. So it's definitely an upgraded clutch, and I know for a fact it's upgraded because the stock one would have been gave out on me the way I drive this car. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. We are finally gonna be dyno tuning the 350Z Nismo, and stay tuned for all the racing and POV content I'm gonna be dropping. I appreciate you guys. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
Remember I was dead broke, I had to find a way. Watch your face playing catch up, it was barely time to wait. It's hard to accept the love when you surrounded by the hate. Disrespecting my mother, I ain't had nowhere to stay. So I went and got my hustle on. Before I go make sure my money long. Somehow I made it through.